Hello students, today we are going to start triple similarity from triangles, that is side similarity criterion. Please listen the class till the end to get the clarity and also the proof. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel and also share it to your friends so that they can prepare well for their examinations. Students, let us first get into this statement. If in two triangles, sides of one triangle are proportional to the sides of another triangle, then their corresponding angles are equal and hence the triangles are similar. He says that if three sides of one triangle are proportional to three corresponding sides of another triangle, then both the triangles are similar because their corresponding angles will be equal. So children, here we will take two triangles. I am taking triangle ABC and the another triangle called DEF. It is given that in these two triangles AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. That means three sides of this triangle are proportional to three corresponding sides of another triangle. Let us first mention these as given here. So in triangles, what are the triangles beta here? ABC and triangle DEF. In these two triangles, it is given that the sides are proportional. That means AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DEF. So it is given that the sides are proportional. What is he asking us to prove? He is asking us to prove that both the triangles are similar. But to prove that, you need to prove corresponding angles are equal. That means you need to prove angle A equal angle D. That is this angle A equal angle D, angle B equal angle E and angle C equal angle F. You need to prove this. So here I am writing A equal D, B equal E and angle C is equal to angle F. Thereby you can prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So children, let's go for construction. So here the construction is same as you have done in AAA and SAS. Let us take 2 points called PQ and join them such that AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So let me mention it here. Draw PQ such that, tell me children, what can I write? AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. Then we will go for the most important part of the theorem, that is nothing but proof. Let us have a glance on what we need to do. AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ is there. But no angle is equal. Angle A equal D is not given. At least BC is equal to PQ, this is also not given. So at present you cannot prove that these two triangles are, that means A, B, C and D, PQ are congruent. Then what to do? Children, here AB by DE is equal to AC by DF is given. But this instead AB, I will take this DP because both are equal. Again, instead this AC, I will take this DQ. So what overall you will get? You will get that DP by DE, that is part of the side by whole side, is equal to DQ by DF, part of the side by whole side. That means you can use basic proportionality theorem's corollary and say that this PQ is parallel to EF. This is how now we will approach. Let's mention it. What am I taking? AB by DE is equal to AC by DF. Only these two I am taking. I am not taking all the three sides. So now AB can be replaced with DP by DE is equal to AC can be replaced with DQ by DF. You can write here the reasons also, because AB is equal to DP and AC is equal to DQ. So now children, what can you say? By corollary of BPT. Why we are using corollary? Because part by whole is equal to part by whole. Part of the side by whole side is equal to part of the side by whole side. If it is part by part is equal to part by part, we will go for BPT, basic proportionality theorem. But here part by whole is given, so we are going with corollary of basic proportionality theorem. So by using this corollary of BPT, what can you say? This PQ is parallel to EF. PQ is parallel to EF. So children, you have proved that both the lines are parallel. So when both the lines are parallel, what is your opinion of this P and E? Both must be equal because they are corresponding angles. This Q and F, yes, these two are also equal. So let us mention them. Therefore, angle E must be equal to angle P and angle F must be equal to angle Q, because let us mention this is first equation and mention the reason also, corresponding angles. So children, now you see in these two triangles DPQ and big triangle, that is DEF. In these two triangles, when we look into, P is equal to E, Q is equal to F. That means two angles of small triangle are equal to the two angles of bigger triangle. So by which similarity criterion you can say that they both are similar? AA similarity criterion. So let us, in triangles DPQ and triangle DEF, small and big triangles, by AA similarity you can say that triangle DPQ is similar to triangle DEF. So you have proved that both the triangles are similar. If they are similar, what will happen to their corresponding sides? They will be proportional. Let's go for, therefore their corresponding sides are proportional. So let us write the corresponding sides. What are they? DP by DE. So children, I am taking this DP by DE is equal to PQ by EF is equal to DQ by big side, that is DF. So let's mention them. DP by DE is equal to PQ by EF is equal to DQ by DF. But what is given to us here? AB by D, let us copy that. What is given to us beta here? But it is given that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. This is given. So let us now observe this both. DE is equal to DE, EF, DF, DF. All the denominators are equal. DP and AB are also equal. Why? Because we have taken this AB and DP, both are equal, because we have constructed in that way. DQ and DAC also equal, AC, DQ. So when all are equal, then what are missing? These two are missing, PQ and BC. So children, when all are equal, then these two must also be equal. So you write, therefore PQ must be equal to BC. This is the result that we got at last. So children, what did we get finally? This BC is equal to PQ. So already we know that AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ. Now newly you got BC is equal to PQ. Mean all the three sides of this are equal to three sides of other triangle. So you can now say that this triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. Let us work on it. In triangles ABC and triangle DPQ, as AB is equal to DP, AC is equal to DQ, and BC is equal to PQ. Therefore, by triple S congruency. So children, don't be confused here. We need to prove triple S similarity, and I am using here triple S congruency. So by triple S congruency, what can you say? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DPQ. So children, when these two are congruent, their corresponding angles must be equal. So by CPCT, what can you write, children? Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle P, and angle C is equal to angle Q. But you can write it as angle A equal angle D. This angle B can be written as B is equal to P and P is equal to E, we know. So that you can write this P as E, comma, angle C is equal to angle Q. Instead of Q, what can you write, children, here? F. So F. Now we proved that angle is equal to angle, angle is equal to angle, and angle equal angle. All the three angles of one triangle are equal to another triangle. So by which similarity you can say that both are similar now? Triple A similarity. So by triple A similarity, we can say the triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So children, this is the proof of triple S similarity, that is side, side, side similarity. So it says that if three sides of one triangle are proportional to three corresponding sides of another triangle, then both the triangles are similar.